In this video, I will be talking about Bitcoin that currently is breaking above the key level of resistance, and right now we're looking to be forming somewhat of a W reversal pattern, and I will be talking exactly about my price targets, and on top of that I will be talking about this most important breakout, the price targets of it, the levels of major resistance we still are going to be facing and that we also already have broken above of, and much more will be getting discussed on today's video. And of course I will be showing you guys my next trade I am currently taking right now on this market, so make sure to smash up the like button. Yesterday we reached around to 470 likes, but can we smash it up to 500 likes today? That will be absolutely amazing. But guys, with that being said, let me jump right away in towards the content and let me discuss the imminent short term. So looking at the 4-hour, we can currently see that Bitcoin broke above this key level of resistance. The 21.7k was the key level of resistance to be breaking. Like you can see, we broke above it, and right away we are seeing, of course, a close above, and right now we're seeing the retest of this level. So on this retest right away, I did open and scaled up my positions here a little bit on the market. I've been opening right now a small little trade of $4,700 and I'm going to be trading it back towards the upside. So what I essentially did here is that currently we are forming on the market a W pattern after forming a low in the market, going back up towards the neckline, then of course forming a higher low in the market and coming back up again here. This is looking like a perfect W reversal pattern, and I would like to be longing these W reversal patterns. Like you can see, the neckline is the most important level to be breaking, and after seeing a confirmation of a break above it, you want to be longing the retest, and that is exactly what I have done so far. Of course, there are several price targets we can be currently aiming for. The main price target I will be aiming for on this W breakout is going to be set somewhere around the 25.2k. So this is a pretty interesting target actually, after seeing the W, of course, breaking out bullish, having a target around $25,000. If we're then as well going to look at the symmetrical triangle I've been talking about for quite a while, we basically got also our price target around to $25,000. So what will I do here? I will be taking massive profits on the market as soon as we're going to come closer towards that $25,000 area, because basically it is the price target not only for the symmetrical triangle but also for the W reversal pattern. So this is of course very bullish bias pattern. You could also approach it differently, because we could be either say, okay, don't we call this an NM and AVE pattern, because an NM and AVE pattern is basically similar, where you form first of all a triangle across the market. So you form this, boom, boom, and then you form this this cup somewhat in the market right here, right? So we could also argue, okay, this is an Adam and AVE pattern, and if we're going to look at an Adam and AVE pattern, this is also a bullish bias pattern in this case right now, and definitely we're going to look for price targets around the 25k. It's the same price target, so yeah, definitely markets are right now looking very strong here if we're going to do our analysis on it right now. On the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see we broke above that 21.7k level. This is of course one of the most crucial levels of resistance I would have loved to see a break above. Currently we are seeing it, so I personally think there are a very big likelihood of a massive continuation further up here. Of course, still there's a major amount of resistance going to be getting found around the 22.8k and the 22.5k. Like you can see over here perfectly, I've not even looked at it. Previous high over here providing resistance right now over this candle right here. So yeah, there's still some resistance ahead of ourselves. I am very aware about that, but after seeing already the 21.7k getting broken, maybe we're going to see some sideways consolidation, but it is likely to see of course a further move back up getting generated from here on. Then more importantly, looking at the daily time frame, we can clearly see, okay, on this daily time frame we broke bullish also of this symmetrical triangle, price target also around the 25.5k, basically the low in the market right here. Then, of course, a very important chart to look at is right now the 3-day MACD chart. And if we're looking at the Bitcoin price action with the 3-day MACD chart, you can clearly see there is a very interesting story that is currently shaping up on this market, right? So every single time we do cross bullish on the 3-day MACD, and I pointed it out with vertical lines here on the chart, we tend to be seeing a significant rally back up getting generated on the market. And look about what currently is going down here. If I remove the drawings to make it a little bit more clear, and if I'm zooming in a little bit here for you guys out on the channel, you can clearly see right here, right now, we are about to be having a bullish crossover on the 3-day MACD, and that could be, of course, result in a significant market movement back up for the price action of Bitcoin right here. And this could be, of course, indicating that we're somewhat finding an imminent short-term bottom on this market. Then furthermore, going into the content, we can currently see that if we're looking at the Bollinger Bands, that we're about to be breaking out of this Bollinger Bands. And like we do know, last time around, we consolidated in this phase right here. Calm before the storm as well here. We consolidated in the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands was coming towards the price action. It was really squeezing in, right? That was suggesting there was going to be a high amount of volatility in the market. Once again, we're seeing the same. We are expecting high volatility to enter the market. Bollinger Bands getting squeezed in here. And right now, we are about to be seeing a massive breakout across the Bollinger Bands. And this could be leading towards massive market volatility, guys. I have been warning you guys for it. The volatility is about to kick in. Please do be aware, on the 13th of July, we are going to get these CPI reports on this vertical chart right here. We are going to get the CPI reports, and that's going to be also allowed to see a lot of volatility in the market. Currently, from my expectations, we're probably going to have a lower inflation, what is going to be meaning the markets are going to probably react a little bit more bullish towards it. So let's see how it's going to be playing out. But yeah, that was basically for today's update video. If you just want to be trading just like me, make sure to follow me on my Telegram group where you stay up to date about all my trades, and subscribe to the channel with the bell notification enabled so you won't be missing out on any of these trades. And of course, if you want to be trading on this platform, you can find a link in the description where you can claim also an insane deposit bonus. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.